Hi traders, and welcome back to yet another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you a super accurate buy and sell trading strategy that will allow you to easily make $100 a day. I take you through all the steps, so stay tuned until the end. The indicator I use for this strategy is called the MOBO Bands indicator. Enter MOBO Bands on tradingview.com and click on it. The MOBO Bands indicator is going to help us open a buy or sell position at exactly the right time. In addition to the MOBO Bands indicator, we'll also use the Moving Average Exponential indicator. This indicator is going to help us find the right trend so we know where to open buy or sell positions. Now that the indicators are on price, we first need to adjust them. Start with the MOBO Bands indicator and change the MOBO length from 10 to 15, then press Confirm. Next, you adjust the Moving Average Exponential indicator. Press the settings of the moving average and change the length from 9 to 200. Once you have done that, press Confirm again, and now we are ready to explain the strategy step by step. You can trade this strategy on the 5-minute time frame, and I trade this strategy mainly on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can also test this strategy on forex or on the stock market, but I recommend you not to trade on any other time frame, so stick to the 5-minute time frame. Alright, I'll start by explaining a buying position. Before we can open a buy position, we first want to see the price move above the 200 EMA. This means that the price is moving in an upward trend, and therefore we know that we should also only open buy positions. As soon as the price moves above the 200 EMA, we wait for a buy signal from the MOBO Bands indicator. When it appears, we can actually open a buy position already. Put your stop loss below the last low of the price, and set the take profit 1.5 times higher. That means you have a risk-reward ratio of 1.5. Now let's see what this position would have done. As you can see, this buying position closed in profit very quickly. Once you have closed a position, you simply wait patiently for the next buy signal from the MOBO indicator. Here we now see that the MOBO indicator is once again giving a buy signal. So, we open another buy position since we see that the price is still moving above the 200 EMA. We put the stop loss below the last low and set our target 1.5 times higher. In this case, we also see that the position closes profitably. This time, however, it took a little longer. Always make sure that the price moves above 200 EMA when you want to open a buy position. In this case, we see a buy position, but the price is still moving below the 200 EMA, so we cannot open a position here. I often get asked on which platform I trade and on which platform we forward our buy and sell positions from the premium subscription. I myself always trade on Bybit. This is a professional cryptocurrency trading platform on which I place my positions daily. If you also want to trade in cryptocurrency, or if you want to use our buy and sell positions, then you can check out the links provided in the description of this video. If you want to implement this strategy, then Bybit can also be useful because you can keep an eye on multiple quotes. This is useful to be able to make even more profits. Moreover, Bybit has a one-time sign-up bonus of over $4,000, so that's definitely interesting as well. Now, let's look at a sell position. A sell position actually just works the other way around. In this case, we want to first make sure that the price is moving below 200 EMA. This now indicates a falling price, so we know we should only open a sell position. Once the price moves below 200 EMA, we wait for a sell signal from the MOBO indicator. As you can see, this one takes place here. So at that moment, we can open our selling position. In this case, I place my stop loss above the last high and place my take profit now 1.5 times lower. As you can see, this was also a profitable position only now through the sell variant. So when you open a sell position, make sure that the price always moves below the 200 EMA. In this example, you had not opened a position because the price was still moving above the 200 EMA. In this case, you wait for a buy signal and ignore these signals. To show you that this strategy really works, I'll show you some positions that you could have made recently. I trade exactly the way I just explained. You will see that you can make huge profits. I open both buy and sell positions and speed up the picture so it doesn't take too long. Let's get started. In a period of just 4 days, I opened 16 positions, of which as many as 9 ended in profit. With a risk reward ratio of 1.5, that is very good. What I also noticed is that this strategy continues to work well during periods when the price moves sideways. Most strategies make a lot of losses when the price starts moving sideways, so this strategy did not have that. I encourage you to test this strategy for yourself as well. Let it be known in the comments if you made a profit with it. For now, close in the video and thank you for watching. See you next time.